Once in a long while, someone stumbles upon a special move, one that's so effective it becomes a classic that every magician must master. We believe to have found the next classic coin move that not only looks CGI level visual, but opens the door to endless applications. Our friend Zee from New Jersey brings you the new foundation of modern coin magic. This one coin vanish will forever change the way you look at magic. Zee goes through in great detail from what coins to choose to the tiniest subtleties so you can execute the vanish effortlessly and make everything look like CGI for live spectators. Plus, we include 8 routines that Zee uses in his working repertoire. Whenever you have a coin in your hand, it'll be like an assassin with a knife. From our SansMinds Worker series, welcome to Project Zee.